In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Translate in Google Workspace. This is a straightforward process, so let's jump right in and ensure you can harness the full potential of Google Translate for your team or organization's needs. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace. Google Workspace is the suite of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools developed by Google. You probably know it by its former name, G Suite. Once you're there, look for the admin console. This is the control center where you can manage your organization settings, including the services available to your users. You'll need to log in using your business email, enter your credentials, and then click Next to proceed. This ensures you have the necessary administrative privileges to make changes to your organization's settings. Now direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Google Apps menu. This menu is your gateway to all the applications available in your Google Workspace. Click on it and you'll see a grid of icons representing different apps. From the grid, locate and click on the admin icon. It's usually easy to spot with a blue shield symbol. This action will take you to the admin dashboard, where you can control the myriad of features and services Google offers for enterprises. Once you're in the admin dashboard, find and click on Apps. This will open a new panel showcasing the various applications and services connected to your account. These are tools designed to boost productivity and collaboration among your team members. Under the Apps section, look for additional Google services. Click on this option. It houses a variety of useful Google services that you can enable or disable based on your organization's needs. Now let's find Google Translate. Scroll through the list of additional services and click on Google Translate. This tool can be a game changer, especially if your team works across different languages or territories. To make the service available to your users, you need to adjust the service status. Turn it on. This action enables Google Translate and allows your users to access its features directly within their accounts. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all your changes are finalized and that Google Translate is activated across your workspace. By this point, everyone in your organization will be able to take advantage of the translation services, facilitating smoother communication and collaboration across various languages. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully turned on Google Translate within your Google Workspace. Whether you're in a multilingual team or often dealing with international partners, having easy access to Google Translate will undoubtedly make a significant impact on your day-to-day operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.